Hey creator nerds! Today we're going to make our lives so much easier when it comes to finding all of your Midjourney art. We're going to create our own private Midjourney Discord server. It's really easy and I'm just going to walk you through it. When you're in your Discord, you got to sign into Discord. You're going to come over here and to the left where the plus sign is, you're going to click add a server. This is going to be adding a server to your own private Discord account. You're going to get a pop-up box and you're going to click create my own. You're going to choose for me and my friends, and we're going to go ahead and get the name set up. I'm going to click create. If this pops up, just click not now unless you want to check it out, but I'm going to click not now. So over here to the left, you'll see you've got your own server. I've got my icon there, so I know that's mine. Now we need to get Midjourney into our server. So over on the left, click Midjourney server. And go ahead and click into one of the newbie rooms. If you don't have a members list over here to the right hand side, up at the top, you're going to click show members list. Here's the Midjourney bot. You're going to click it and click add to server. By doing that, it's going to pop up and give you the option of where to select to drop it to. You're going to click your own server and click continue. Make sure to authorize it to be able to use the server. Verify the CAPTCHA. And now it has been authorized. Go back to your own server and now you'll be able to see the Midjourney bot right here. Now you can start doing your own creations because you'll see over here on the members list, it's just you and Midjourney, which is really great. Now what you can do is go ahead and start creating your images here in your own server. So let's try it and see what happens. That's really cute. This one looks like a grumpy cat. Very fluffy. Okay, we'll close that off. So see how great this is? Now if I do another one, let's do a different prompt. Well, that was an interesting outcome. I wasn't sure what to expect. Let me go ahead and open the original. That's really very neat. I think this is my favorite so far. This isn't exactly what I was going for. It's like a painting, so it took painting, I guess, to mean as an actual painting. So I'm still learning the prompts and how to do them, but I really like this one. So now that you've got your own private Midjourney bot, you'll be able to come back at any time and use this without having to go through and sift through all the thousands of other people out there doing them. Makes it so much easier. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. More to come.